Top 6 Home Gadget. Product 1.
Imagine never stubbing your toe in the dark again. These under-cabinet lights come with an upgraded motion sensor that auto-turns on when motion is detected within 120 degrees and 10 dpt, ensuring you're never fumbling for a light switch. Plus, they have 5 levels of dimmable brightness, making them perfect for meal prep or as a gentle nightlight. Don't miss out. Grab yours now and transform your kitchen, stairs, or closet instantly.
Product 2.
Tired of waiting ages for your water to boil? With the fast-boiling electric kettle, you can enjoy piping hot water in just 3 minutes, perfect for your morning tea or coffee fix. Its sleek design not only looks great in your kitchen, but also features safety features like automatic shutoff and boil-dry protection, ensuring peace of mind while you brew. Don't miss out on this game changer. Grab yours today and elevate your beverage experience.
Product 3.
Tired of settling for ordinary ice cream makers that limit your creativity? The Ninja Creamy lets you turn almost anything into a delicious frozen treat, from ice cream to sorbet and more. With 7 one-touch programs, you can easily achieve the perfect texture every time, ensuring your treats are as unique as you are. Say goodbye to complicated processes. Simply prep, freeze, process, and enjoy in just 3 easy steps. Experience the joy of creating healthier, customized options that fit your lifestyle, whether it's keto, vegan, or low sugar.
Product 4.
Say goodbye to tedious scrubbing and hello to the future of cleaning with the upgraded electric spin scrubber. This lightweight powerhouse spins at 450 RPM, making stubborn stains vanish in no time, so you can enjoy a sparkling clean home without the backache. With adjustable speeds and waterproof design, it tackles every corner effortlessly, while the replaceable brush heads cater to all your cleaning needs. Don't wait. Grab yours now and make cleaning a breeze.
Product 5.
Are you tired of mediocre coffee at home? The Milk Boss Frother transforms your kitchen into a coffee shop, creating rich, creamy froth for lattes, cappuccinos, and more in seconds. With easy cleanup and compact storage, it's the perfect addition to your coffee routine. Don't settle for less. Grab your Milk Boss Frother today and enjoy cafe-quality drinks at home.
Product 6.
Transform your cooking game with the Magic Bullet. This powerful 250W motor base effortlessly chops, mixes, and blends your favorite meals in seconds. With high-impact plastic cups and a handy recipe guide, you can whip up everything from smoothies to sauces with ease. Don't miss out. Grab yours today and start creating delicious dishes like a pro.